Set includes 1. Fast setup net height of 5 feet. 1. PVC pole system. 4. Official size badminton rackets with tempered steel shafts, grommets to prolong string life and cushion grips. 2. White shuttlecocks. 1. Set of game rules. Easy to assemble. Simply build the base, attach the poles, slide on the net and serve up some fun. The fast setup net and pole system takes just minutes to assemble and provides entertainment that will last all day. Easy to take down. When the game is done, the net system and accessories pack away quickly in the base. Take fun with you wherever you go with the EastPoint Sports Easy Setup Badminton Set. Play anywhere. Easy to set up whether it's in the yard, on the beach, the drive or any flat area, this set will serve up the fun. Fun for everyone. If the family camping trip needs an ace, this modified portable badminton set for kids can come to the rescue. This lightweight set provides effortless entertainment. If you're a parent, time is always valuable. Our badminton setup can be raised in just 3–5 minutes. Say goodbye to tricky instructions and laborious construction, even the kids can pitch in. Give the gift of outdoor play. Get your family outside and moving with this highly active game that provides fun, exercise, and excitement for the entire family. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent customer service. Kids can set up independently. I gave this to my son for his birthday. He loves badminton and uses it all the time. He can set it up by himself without help. One of the base pieces was broken, kids fighting, not from normal wear and tear, so I contacted customer service. They responded within 4 hours and sent me a link for replacement parts. Replacement parts are very cheap and free shipping on the US. We love this set and are happy with it.